Survival isn't just about luck, it's about having the right tools. Today, we're revealing the top 17 survival knives that could save your life. These blades are not just sharp, they're essential for any adventurer. Ready to find your next trusty companion? Let's dive in. Be ready for anything with Holtzmann's Gorilla Survival Clip-Point Folding Pocket Knife. This marvel features a razor-sharp D2 steel blade, effortlessly cutting through wood, paper, plastic, or aluminum. The G10 handle offers an anti-slip grip for maximum control. This complete kit includes a sharpening stone and carrying case, ensuring your EDC knife stays sharp and accessible. With Holtzmann's, you're not just carrying a knife, you're carrying readiness. The Dragon Ridge knife is a masterpiece of design and practicality. This titanium handle knife features a high-performance blade for precise cutting. With 3 opening methods, flipper, thumb hole, and button lock, it's easy and safe to use. The deep carry clip and lanyard hole make it perfect for everyday carry. Lightweight and strong, it's ideal for outdoor cooking, cutting tasks, and more. The SOG Pentagon FX FDE is not your average knife. This full-sized beast is built for serious use. The double-edged blade is made of super tough steel that stays sharp. But here's the cool part. You can take off the G10 handles for a slimmer profile. The sheath is a game-changer too. It works with SOG's universal mounting system, so you can set it up any way you like. Whether you're in the military or law enforcement, or just love top-notch gear, this knife is ready for action. Conquer the wilderness with the Gerber Gear Ultimate Outdoors Survival Knife. Featuring durable stainless steel, this meticulously crafted tool is built to handle any challenge. The textured rubber grip provides a secure, non-slip hold, while the included accessories, an emergency whistle, sharpener, and fire starter, make it a complete survival kit. The sheath houses a sharpening stone and ferrocerium rod, keeping your knife razor sharp and your fire-starting skills ready. Prepare to unleash your inner Spartan warrior with the Honshu Spartan Sword. This reimagined classic is innovative and built to last, combining ancient craftsmanship with modern functionality. Featuring a full-tang 16.5-inch D2 steel blade with a razor-sharp edge and weight-reducing holes, this sword means business. The ergonomic handle provides a tough, grippy grip with finger grooves and a textured pattern, ensuring a secure hold in even the most intense situations. Whether you're a reenactor, a collector, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of a well-crafted blade, this sword is a true masterpiece. For the survivalist, there's the Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife, a 15-inch blade built for serious readiness. With a 10-inch stainless steel clip-point blade and a sawback, it's a powerhouse of cutting capability. The high-friction, non-slip rubber handle ensures a secure grip in any conditions. Mossy Oak includes a sharpener and fire starter, recognizing the importance of preparedness in survival situations. It's purpose-built for hunters and survivalists who demand the best. More than just a tool, it's your outdoor insurance policy ensuring you come back with stories, not scars. This elite fixed blade knife is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. At 8.6 inches long with a 4-inch blade made of strong D2 steel, it's built to last and perform in any condition. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. What sets this knife apart is the complete kit it comes with: a Kydex sheath, flint rod, G10 scraper, and paracord. Whether you're camping, hiking, hunting, or fishing, this knife kit has you covered for all your outdoor cutting and survival needs. The Slinger pocket-sized EDC flipper knife is small but mighty. With a D2 steel blade, it stays sharp longer than your average pocket knife. The cool part? You can flip it open with one finger, thanks to the smooth ball bearings. The strong frame lock keeps the blade secure when open, and the pocket clip lets you carry it easily. Whether you're opening boxes, cutting rope, or tackling everyday tasks, the Slinger is up for the job. Small size, big performance. For those who need more heavy-duty cutting power, the Bushcraft Survival Camping Knife is the answer. This impressive long military-style knife features a razor-sharp blade made of high-carbon steel. It's designed to easily cut through wood, paper, plastic, or aluminum without losing its edge. The black G10 handle provides maximum control, and the included Kydex sheath ensures safe carrying. It's the perfect companion for serious bushcraft and survival situations. The Wayland Tactical Knife is your all-in-one outdoor tool. This rugged knife is perfect for hunting, camping, and hiking, with a tough stainless steel blade, a sharp tanto point, and a gut hook for easy field processing. It comes with a durable MOLLE sheath for safe carrying. Whether you're a scout, a camper, or a hunter, this knife is built to handle it all. Lightweight, strong, and versatile, it's your new go-to for any outdoor adventure. Equip yourself with the SOG Survival Knife, a must-have for any adventurer. This full-tang knife is perfect for camping, hunting, and fishing, with a sharp stainless steel blade and a non-slip handle. It comes with a versatile sheath that lets you cut cord or line without exposing the blade. Lightweight and durable, it's designed for tough outdoor tasks. The Smith & Wesson folding knife is a pocket-sized powerhouse. With a 3.1-inch blade made of high-carbon stainless steel, it's tough and sharp. The black aluminum handle feels great in your hand. Need to open it fast? No problem. Use the finger flipper or thumb knobs. It works for lefties too. The liner lock keeps the blade secure when open. With its handy pocket clip, you can carry it anywhere. For those who appreciate precision and portability, we have the WaspArmor blade. This titanium scalpel knife is the world's smallest and lightest folding knife. No longer than your index finger and lighter than an A4 sheet, it's the ultimate everyday carry tool. Despite its size, it's a powerhouse, delivering precise cuts effortlessly. With its interchangeable surgical blade and secure locking mechanism, it's ready for anything from daily use to outdoor adventures. When the trail gets wild, reach for the Gerber Gear Compact ClearPath Machete, the tool that slashes through obstacles like a pro. Built tough with a corrosion-resistant blade and a handle that feels just right, it's like the Swiss Army knife of machetes. Lightweight and versatile, it's ready for any outdoor challenge, making it the perfect tool for maintaining trails, setting up camp, or navigating through dense foliage. Next up, the Barebones Hori Hori knife is your new secret weapon for gardening and camping tasks. Its hardened stainless steel blade makes digging, slicing, and planting easy, while the precision 1-inch markings let you measure and control depth with accuracy. The contoured walnut handle provides a comfortable ergonomic grip for all-day use. Handcrafted in Spain, the JEO Tech Bushcraft Survival Knife is a true masterpiece of craftsmanship. Designed for hunters, campers, and wildlife enthusiasts, this knife is built to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. Featuring a 4.92-inch blade made of Muva 58 stainless steel, it offers exceptional edge performance, razor sharpness, high hardness, and impressive corrosion resistance. The full-tang construction and ergonomic Cocobolo wood handle provide superior durability and a secure, comfortable grip. But this knife is more than just a blade. It comes with a heavy-duty, multi-positioned leather sheath and a ferro rod, making it a complete survival tool. Enjoy innovative functionality with the CRKT Dactyl EDC folding pocket knife, featuring a unique, hole-in-one design for easy opening and closing. The secure slide lock mechanism ensures the blade stays in place during use, providing peace of mind. Its bead blast finish reduces reflectivity, making it a discreet and reliable everyday carry tool for all your needs. In the world of survival gear, what seemed like science fiction in the past is now becoming essential equipment. We encourage you to stay informed, be prepared, and maintain your enthusiasm for outdoor adventures. Remember, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our future videos.